Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Kusini, 2-in-1 electric fondue set and Smores maker tabletop indoor kit, with removable trays and 4 skewers. And why you should buy choose. Because, consists of highlight features as follows. 2-in-1 Smores maker and fondue set. This all-in-one electric machine easily switches between making Smores and fondue. Comes with a safe flameless heater, 4 detachable trays, and 4 roasting forks. Compact for easy storage and easy to clean. Easy to prepare. Make your favorite treats at home. Just plug it in, flip the switch, and roast perfect, golden marshmallows or melt sweet chocolate and gooey cheese. Safe for kids and fun for family gatherings, carnival, birthday parties, or game night. Modern, versatile design, 4 removable food compartments/trays hold marshmallows, graham crackers, and chocolate for Smores and dippers for fondue. Great for dipping fruit, pretzels, candies, and more. Trays can also be used as serving plates. Great for gifting. When you need that ideal cool fun gift, think Kusini Fondue/S'mores Kit, a unique fun hostess gift or for wedding registry, housewarming, family gift set. Perfect anniversary, or as a Valentine's Day gift for your loved one. Outdoor fun, indoors. Bring that cozy fire pit vibe indoors and invite your friends and family over and impress them. This is the perfect addition to game night, movie night, date night, or just as a party on its own. Makes for great memories. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.